moving on to yes.
Elena, if you allow me to add a little thing as Mr.
Yes,
Pushan, about the small research we did with our department head, Mr. Suranga Jayasena, with related to the adoptability of the building information modeling in Sri Lankan context. What we found was there are several projects we identified as the contract document itself required to implement BIM. So one of the example like Port City Infrastructure Project and Maritime Facilitation Center at Colombo Port, client will be the Port Authority, and elevated highway from Paliagoda to Port City, and House of Justice building, which will be done by the designer is the government entity and the contractor also the government entity, but the document required to implement the BIM model. So that's happening in Sri Lanka, and also the UDA about to publish building approval new process called one-stop approval shop, one-stop approval unit. There also there will be a possibility of they are recommending to implement BIM for statutory approval after few years, not tomorrow, but maybe when they implement one-stop approval unit under UDA, couple of years, they might require to implement BIM for statutory approval. That was a recommendation has given by the committee appointed to implement this one-stop approval unit. We hope that in the future there will be a statutory requirement to implement BIM. Looking at all those things, BIM becoming the norm or standard, becoming the standard of Sri Lankan construction industry. So having the knowledge and skill related to that will be the added advantage for all the students who learn about BIM as well as Cubicos and all the related software applications. Thank you, Tilna.
Yes, thank you very much for sharing your recent knowledge regarding the implementation of building information modeling in Sri Lanka. So hopefully in near future,